I'm recording now. All right, two events are mutually exclusive if they can't happen at the same time. It's confusing because mutually exclusive means that it can't happen. So, could you select a person who has type O blood and select a female person at the same time? Yes, a woman could have type O blood, right? So this is not mutually exclusive because it could happen at the same time. Could you select a jack from a standard deck of cards and select a face card at the same time? Yeah, in fact, you have to. That's not mutually exclusive. Can anybody give me an example of something that is mutually exclusive?
Can you watch? I mean, can you watch this?
Watch the Titanic and laugh at the same time? I think there are funny moments in that movie, yes. Could you be what?
Randomly select a piece of chicken with bones.
And?
And it's a fish ball.
Okay. So here's something that's mutually exclusive. Me being at my desk and me being in the office. Can't happen at the same moment in time. Whoa. Tristan, stop blowing our minds. All right. The addition rule is all about the word or. So if it's and, you multiply the probabilities. But if it's or, you add the probabilities and then subtract the overlap. It's the overlap right here.
Overlap is,
So if a dice is rolled, find the probability of getting a 6 or an odd number. So I see the word or, so I'm going to write something plus something minus something. All right, what's the probability of getting a 6 if you roll a dice? 1 out of 6. And how many odd numbers are there? 3 out of 6. But 6 isn't an odd number, so I didn't count it twice, so there's no overlap. So my final answer is 4 out of 6, or I guess 2/3, if I reduce it. Okay. This is another or problem. A card is selected from a standard deck. Find the probability that the card is a face card or a heart. All right, how many face cards are in the deck? We're only counting Jack, Queen, and King, not aces. 12 out of 52. That's how many face cards there are in a deck. I'm going to write under here, face. And then how many hearts are in a deck? 13. 13 hearts in a deck. Okay, how many did I just count twice, though? Like, how many cards were in this category and also in this category? 3, right? Because the Jack of Hearts, the Queen of Hearts, and the King of Hearts, I just counted twice. So this is the overlap. This is where I accidentally counted them twice, so I need to subtract them off. So that's 25 minus 3 is 22 out of 52. Or what, 11 out of 26? Okay, on that one? All right.
4.
C. It's an OR problem, so I'm going to add and subtract. Do you remember how many possibilities there are if you're rolling 2 dice? 36. What are the chances of getting doubles? There's double ones.
6. So 1 is that 1, 6?
Let's leave it as 36s so we can add and subtract. So 3 out of 36. That's my doubles.
36.
What?
6 out of 36.
Yep.
She said that.
Are you saying that the... Oh, did I say... I said the wrong word. 6 out of 36. And then a sum of 8. What would add up to get 8? You can just list them on the side here.
6 plus 2.
What? There's no 7 on a dice.
Oh.
2 and 6, or 6 and 2. What else? 4 and 4. 5 and 3. 3 and 5. Is that it?
4 and 4.
Already got it.
Yeah, but like the other way.
4, 4.
Nope.
You have like 4, 4.
Here, I'll show you how.
No, like 4, 4.
Stop it. If I have 2 dice, where are my dice? Probably put away where they're supposed to be, which is a good thing, and I'm happy about it. All right. So I got a blue dice. I got a blue dice and a white dice. So, if it was a 5 and a 3, here's a 5 and a 3, right? With me? Now, if I change it, now this one is a 3, and this one is a 5. You see how I physically changed it? Okay, now if I have instead 4s, okay, how would I change it to make it into a different double 4?
Blue on the left, white on the right.
Doesn't matter. Because before, if I had a 3 and a 5, when I changed it, I changed the white die to a 5 and the blue die to a 3. Like, the order doesn't matter. It's just, like, right now, here's 3 and 5, and there's also 3 and 5. You know, like, I'm actually physically changing the dice into something else, the first die and the second die. But with 4s, I can't because they're already there. Another way to look at it is if you have, like, if I made a list. If I made a list of all the choices there are, there's 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1. I know that this is boring, but give me a second. 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4. I'm not going to what?
You're not going to write.
I'm not going to write what?
Oh, you'll see.
6, 7?
Oh, wait, that one looks like 6, 7. Oh, we're good enough.
6, 5, and 5, 6. Okay. So these are all the possibilities. Remember how we said it was 36 possibilities? This is all of them. Here is 3, 5. And here is 5, 3. 4, 4 right here. There's no other 4, 4 on this list. You guys seeing it? Okay. All right. So so this would be 5 out of 36. These are all the possibilities of getting an 8. Now, where did I overlap? What is counted in the doubles column, but also counted in the adding up to 8 column?
Everything, isn't it?
Double 4s,
Oh, okay.
which is 1 out of 36. That's the overlap. So the answer is 10 out of 36 or 5 out of 18. Okay, for the last one, I want you to sit with your partner. Try that one out. Who's your partner this week?
Sorry, Hoss.
Probably.
So it'd be 1, 6, 6,
That's 5 and 2. 2 is 5.
yeah, 6. So 6 out of 6. Yeah, what?
Can things add up to 7 and add up to 8 at the same time? All right, if you did it right, it should be 6 out of 36 here, 5 out of 36 here, 0 out of 36 here, which makes 11 out of 36, correct?
Yeah.
Beautiful. And this is what? 7s, that was 8s. It's overlap. All right. Second page. Blood bank catalogs the type of bloods, including positive or negative Rh factor by donors in the last 5 days. The number of donors who give each blood type is shown in the table. All right. What's the probability? By the way, this is pretty accurate with how blood types are distributed. Anybody know their blood type? Has anybody given blood before? Okay. When you get right, if somebody takes your blood, for what? It doesn't matter. That's impolite.
For what? Huh? Was it Dracula?
Right.
Huh? Yeah. Was it Dracula?
Okay. So, assuming that it's a hospital, not Dracula. If you go on the like the Winona Health site or the Mayo site with your own account, they'll tell you what it says in your lab results what your blood type is. Also, anytime you give blood, they'll tell you what your blood type is.
Are you supposed to know your blood type?
Yes. Not right now necessarily, but definitely by the time you're an adult, you should know your blood type in case you get into an accident. I am A positive, which means super right there. Do you guys know about blood types?
No.
Really? So you can have O blood, A blood, B blood, or AB blood. AB blood is not a mix of A and B. It does have stuff from A and B, but it's not like if you make a potion of A and B blood, you can be like, oh, now it's AB. It's not. Okay, got to stop talking over me. Positive and negative Rh factor. If you're negative, that means you're without the factor. Positive means you have it. If you're positive, you can receive negative blood. You can get it without the Rh factor, but if you're negative, you can't get positive blood. O negative, this is the universal donor. That means that if somebody is O negative, they can give blood to anyone. And if you're AB positive, because AB can get A blood or B blood or O blood, and positive and negative, these people are the universal receiver. That means that they can get blood from anybody. Okay. All right. What's the probability that a donor has type O or type A blood? All right. So it says or. So I'm going to do something plus something minus something. All right. Type O blood. How many people have type O blood? 184 out of how many? 409. I think you were just looking at O positive. Okay. And how many people have type A blood?
164.
164 out of? 409. And how many people have type O and type A blood at the same time?
16.
Nobody.
No, never mind. I was looking at AB at home.
All right. If I add those together, 348 out of 409. I do not want to make sure that that is simplified, so I'm just going to turn it into a decimal. 0.851. All right. Do you want me to do this one with you, or do you want to do it with your partner? Partner. I'm going to do it up here. You can look up when you're done to see if you get it right. Talk to each other.
It's just a factor. And